So in this books written to the Meghalaya capital is Shillong, it is right, but Bengali, Nepali, Marathi is this is the totally wrong because it should be Khasi, Garu, English.
Hadian balayo jingtip bakawe niki school kabadon habari duari boy district ya kabala tip kum ka Little Star Senior Secondary School kabala pendan kame kawe niki kot puli haka class 3 kabade ka subject social studies ya kabala tho do Dr. Dhananjay Joshi bat kani lamjen kabahikai halor ki jaktin baki briu ki kran haka jala la shem bahaka nika kot la tho baki official language baki briu ha Meghalaya ki kran bat sngouthu ki dei kaktin Bengali Nepali bat Marathi nakaliang kaseng Khasi Students Union haka arpo tarik unaitung kelalet ban kendu yo principal jang kateka school banyo jingsha halor ka jingyalam bat jingpen sngouthu bakla ki khna ki bapuli haka teka school habai kran haka teka jingya kendu nakaliang principal ka school ulaong ba marsen tip ekani ka jing bakla ula pensange ban hikai bat ula kularu ban tho she u publisher ban penbet yakani ka kon kumban shupen kan mau baga Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kala pas yakarai ban dawa ban penrung ya kaktien Khasi bat garo haka kernit ke bapra ka sarkar jela ka Khasi Author Society ka Khasi Students Union bat kiwe ki seng ha Meghalaya kila dawa ban penrung ya kaktien Khasi bat garo haka kernit ke bapra Henry kani ka kot kala long persha ya ka jing dawa bat ka jing angnut ka bala aslam ki babun ban penrung ya kaktien Khasi haka kernit ke bapra ka bayalam bat pensnguthu baklaru ki khenna ki bapuli haka te ka school
kata ngilala lap ya kajing ujor nek pajba bat ni nong katuk ni halo jong kot social studies ke bala shikai po school Little Star haka bayade bat official language ba thok ba kadega Bengali Nepali bat Marathi anda ngilawa da sen KSU haka ya haka ne kasni school Little Star bat ngilaya on kendo principal nakalian jong iru ila kubur ba kadega don kajing bakla leng bat publisher bat kila ongro makiru kila sange berika ya kanega kot bat kila ongro nakalian ko jong ki bakin hak kajing ujor sa publisher bat sa nek do sa emboss office bat di I office tena kalian doki la amba singit ya kajing baklang bat kinamikai su ya kanega kot te ini na kalian kedok kasen di pak ban bu ya kanega kajing kerpat ya ka education department bahkan simkia ban sa ka NCRT bak lada ka publish kino tikot ban dawat nya sa ban tiap ka ya kino publish sa ban ndesu ban publish ka ya ikum kini judging tho namar kaya lambakla ya kalaway te nakalian ka education department ibu ya ka di tepat subha kana kalat bakini bu ko sa ka NCRT na ya kano ka board namar kade ka kot ya kamde kan ka school ya kadon satuwi ke benta jung ka school ibangin patyo ditip.
So actually we got the book chapter number this to anywhere we show that is the mistakes wherever Meghalaya original language is the Khasi, Garu and English. In this regards, they are writing to the something difference. That's why we are going to give correction. We send to the message to publisher to correction and to rectify and publish another one right book. So in this books written to the Meghalaya capital is Shillong, it is right, but Bengali, Nepali, Marathi is this is the totally wrong because it should be Khasi, Garu, English. Revert that in the right totally wrong. So I condemn it. So I asked to the publisher, you rectify and write the correct message in your book.